For over 25 years, we at Thomas Slim have been designing and creating accessories for European luxury brands. In our workshops, we combine precision engineering with meticulous craftsmanship to offer unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. Now, we have carefully designed and curated a selection of beautiful gifts for customers looking for something a little different. On every item, we offer to engrave not only a monogram, but also a personal message that, with a gift, can live on and be treasured forever. Creating something truly unique lies at the heart of who we are.